How to fix missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let me open a particular messaging application, suppose Notes. And on this keyboard, you can easily find out that there is no voice input keyboard. So to fix this, you need to tap on the gear icon on your keyboard. Then you will reach on the setting panel of keyboards where you will see variety of options. Simply you need to select voice typing and turn on the button for use voice typing. When you come back and check that there is the voice input on your keyboard, you can easily select that and then enter your voice, which will help you type in the text with the help of your microphone voice input. So that is how we fix missing microphone voice input on Android keyboard. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.